video I'm going to mention a few things, but before that I'd like to summarize our trip. Brisbane to Sydney. We are currently at Macadamia Castle, Knockrow, charging before we go home. This charging location is our first or last if we head south of Brisbane, and it's been really enjoyable trip. We've done 2,000, when we get home it will be about 2,200 kilometers, and I'm sure some of you who love being efficient when driving in Tesla would love to know the stats for consumption of the car. On this trip currently 2,000 kilometers at the moment, 168 watt hours per kilometer, and total consumption average since we got the car is 177 watt hours per kilometer. So this being a Tesla S70 rear-wheel drive, I'm really happy with the stats, even though I don't drive this to be efficient. When I feel like putting my foot down, I do, because it's part of the experience. I still haven't got the configurator live for Tesla Model 3, so I was wrong. I thought it would have been online by now, but it still isn't. Guys, if there is anything that you have doubts about, because I know some people are waiting for miraculous changes from our government and as a result of the elections and stuff, don't wait for any miracles to happen. If you feel like now is the right time for you to get Tesla Model 3, just go ahead and order it right now, or any other EV for that matter, because you will benefit, not anyone else. Don't wait for anyone else. It's you who will drive the car, who will love it, and will eventually not want to drive anything else. It's that simple. When a Tesla Model 3 configurator becomes available, and if you would like to use our referral code, go ahead and use it. I believe that configurator will be live before 28th of May, when that 500% rise in free supercharging is available. It's only until 28th, so it's 7,500 kilometers worth of free supercharging, and then it goes back to 1,500. So go ahead and use it. I'm posting it here on the screen as well as below this video. And if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, now is the time to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, it's free, and on the bell notification, and YouTube will notify you of our future videos. Thank you guys for watching these videos. I appreciate it. I appreciate your comments. Keep them coming. It's nice to see that you enjoy drone footage as well. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.